Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help with length retention, moisture, and also help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. The first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 teaspoon of cloves. Cloves help to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied. This will improve blood circulation in the scalp and promote stronger hair growth. The antioxidants found in cloves help to increase circulation in the scalp and in turn help to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Also, cloves help to refreshen and enhance the hair's natural hair color. And the next ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of horsetail herb. Horsetail is known to improve the strength of hair as well as bones thanks to the ingredient silica. It also helps to make hair less brittle to retain hair length, which is great for hair loss. Horsetail is known to improve the circulation of blood, which in turn leads to healthy hair follicles. When your scalp gets enough blood, it increases its ability to produce more hair. The silica found in horsetail has been known to encourage hair growth as well as hair thickness. The third ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of rosehip. Rosehip is the storehouse of many nutrients which promote hair growth, reduce the loss of hair, revitalize dull and damaged hair, thus making your hair healthy and strong. It easily penetrates deep into the layers of your scalp, nourishes and hydrates your scalp and hair follicles. Rosehip contains essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6. It also is rich with vitamins A, C, E, and antioxidants. So when it comes to the first step of making this butter, I'm going to be infusing some oil with these herbs, and the oil I'm going to be using is going to be coconut oil. You can use any oil that you would like. I'm going to be using 1 cup of coconut oil. I'm going to take all the herbs and place them into a mason jar, and then I'm going to add my carrier oil into the mason jar as well. So now I'm just going to take my mason jar and place it into a pot of hot water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat, and I'm going to allow this to infuse for about an hour. If you choose not to do this method, you can use a crock pot, or you can take the mason jar and put it into a cabinet and let it infuse without any heat for about 2 weeks. After about an hour, I removed the mason jar from the pot and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to go ahead and strain the oil.
You, let me cater to you.
just going to take half a cup of melted shea butter and I'm going to place it into a bowl. You could use any butter that you would like, and I'm going to add the oil into the bowl as well. And then I'm going to stir the oil and butter together, and I'm going to place it into the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes. So after about 30 minutes, I removed the butter from the freezer, and I'm just going to use my electric hand mixer to whip the butter. Once I get the consistency that I am looking for, I'm going to go ahead and take the butter and place it into a jar. When it comes to the shelf life of this butter, it will last about 8 to 12 months. Make sure that you keep it in a dry, cool area of your home. You can use this hair butter after you applied a leave-in conditioner. You can use this butter 1 to 2 times a week or as often as you need. Also, make sure that you apply enough hair butter to the dry, split ends to prevent breakage. Also, you can apply this hair butter to your scalp if you are suffering from a dry scalp.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful,
the ingredients featured in this video can be found in my hair care products. The name of the ingredient as well as the product that contains that ingredient can be found on the screen. If you are interested in these products and would like to learn more, you can head over to my website, CoyaleLily.com. The link is always in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.